So a quick lecture about the exam before we go hands-on and start dealing with AWS. The exam is going to test you for your AWS knowledge and from a developer's perspective. So we have to look at AWS with developer eyes. There's going to be two question types at the exam. A multiple choice where you have only one correct response and three incorrect responses. And you're going to have multiple response where two or more responses will be correct and you'll have 5+ options. If you guess, there's no penalty, so you should definitely answer all the questions. A question that is wrongly answered will not make you lose points. It is a pass or fail type of exam, and you need to score at least 720 out of 1,000, and I really hope you get 1,000. I'm here with you to make sure you at least get 720. You should definitely read the exam guide, so go to the certification URL, download the exam guide. It is really important for you to at least read through it once. In terms of the exam itself, it's going to test you on 5 domains: deployment, security, development with AWS services, refactoring, and monitoring and troubleshooting. I want to make sure that through my course, I go over them one by one. And so alongside the course, we will have deep dive onto each of those. For deployment, we're going to heavily look into CI/CD, Beanstalk, serverless. For security, alongside the course, for every service, I will tell you about the security, and we'll also have a dedicated section to security. For developing with AWS services, we have serverless. We're going to look into APIs, SDK, and CLI. For refactoring, I want to really for you to understand how all the AWS services work so that you can think of the best migration for refactoring from on-premise to the AWS cloud. And finally, for monitoring and troubleshooting, I want to give you CloudWatch, CloudTrail, and X-Ray experience all along the course. I'm proud to say that my course covers the entire exam blueprint and guide. I hope you're excited to learn with me. Let's get started.